How to recover InShot deleted videos. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily recover the deleted videos on your InShot app. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you want to do is open up your InShot app. And as you can see here, if I tap on videos and tap on one of my drafts, it says that it is not possible to retrieve the videos because they have been deleted. So in this case, what you can do is if I go ahead and refresh my app like this, open up my InShot again and tap on the videos, I still am not able to recover those videos. So in this case, what you can do is go ahead and open up gallery. Once you open up your gallery, you are just going to have to tap on the three dots to head over to your recycle bin. Select the videos that you have recently deleted and restore all of them. Once you restore them, you are just going to head over to your InShot app again. And once you do that, head back, open up your drafts again, and those videos should come out right here. So as you can see, once I have recovered the videos has been added back to my drafts. That's it for this video guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.